Okay, so now that we're on this screen, one thing I just want to note for you guys, you'll see in this top right corner here, this configuration. This is where we add different protocols and look at our system default settings. You guys won't really have to do anything with that, but just that's where you find that information if you need it for any reason. More often than not, you're going to be looking at some of this other information that's in the middle of the screen, like our patient sessions. So again, if somebody's come in multiple times and we want to go back and look at sessions, or even if they've only come in once and you want to look at a session, you click that and it populates all those and you can look through more of the details of those tests. You can also go to the patient videos section right below that here. And that's pretty cool if you have patients with BPPV or interesting types of nystagmus that you might see or eye patterns. You can go pull just the videos and not the tracings, which is really cool to pull those. But again, you probably won't be doing a whole lot of that for your lab or really with patients. We're really going to be looking at this begin testing section over here. And so there's a little drop down right here at the bottom where it says USA Diagnostic Protocol. That's the default protocol. But if we click that arrow, it's going to drop down and give you lots of other protocols that I've created, for labs and for different purposes in the clinic. And you can even scroll here down and you can see all the different labs that potentially you could do or protocols that we use in clinic. I try to keep the clinic protocols higher up towards the top. So I'm actually backtrack here. So the USA Diagnostic Protocol is obviously the most comprehensive one, and the BPPV follow-up protocol is going to be the second most popular one that we're using in the clinic. But you may use some of those other ones for your labs, just kind of depending. So just kind of keep an eye out on those. Those are set up specifically to help y'all practice bits and pieces of these tests. So once we've clicked on the one we want, say USA Diagnostic Protocol, if we have a new patient coming in, we'll click that, and then we're going to click Begin Testing. So it'll open up the portal part where we can start seeing all of our tests.